Hello my friends, DrTouch is online. I'm in my forest right now, but it seems really rainy right now. I was thinking I use this moment to talk to you and then go for a little walk. Today I would like to speak to you about one possibility how you can check out if this food or this food good for your body or not. Okay? Gluten is included in the food, in bread, in cookies, and spaghettis, okay? So pretend you have a problem, but you don't know about this, and you never checked your blood to figure out if gluten good for you or not. What you can do at home and save money, because in Germany to check if gluten good for your body or not, besides the other things, you have to pay, and no insurance will cover this. Okay, and I will tell you just very simple and proved way how to do it. So for 3-4 weeks, don't take any gluten products. No bread, no spaghetti, no cookies, okay? And when the 3 weeks, for example, passed, for 2 days, eat a lot of bread, of spaghetti, of cookies, and if you have a problem with the gluten, you will immediately feel tiredness, weakening of your body, discomfort. It could be general or in your belly. There's as gas, pain in the belly. Even it could influence the sleep, your night sleep, you know. Yes, and it's everything of this and anything what it's not feels really good to you, it is could be caused by gluten. So you have to avoid gluten, but only making this test you know if the gluten good for you or not. And this is exactly you can do with any products, for example. For example, yes, for the tomato, with the eggs, with the milk, you know, with anything. And step by step to figure out what good for your body and what not. So my friend, I hope this video will bring you further to your health, and this is the next step besides the information about sujok. I wish you a great health, stay safe, and I see you next time. Keep in touch with DrTouch and the team. Bye bye.